something to buy. Yeah, here. Hi, Em. Really? Yeah. A house. Okay. So that I cannot rent anymore. Yeah, tell your mother. Yeah, I know. I rent for one year already. I don't want to wasting money in this house. After that, 1 year. Okay lang. Don't worry, you see me in personal. And you gonna see, this is you, Yakera? Yeah, you can. I like you in 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. Only 3 days? How about how about forever? Sakit ulo ko. You will hurt. I will hurt you too. We're gonna be hurt together. Ay, sakit ulo. Utang ka pa. Speaker, I'm so happy. Thank you for the summer. Yeah, go to sleep. I will wake you up in the morning. Okay, most welcome. I'll wake you up. In Malaysia. Okay. I'll be there in 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Don't lock your door, okay? Then I'm wearing. I don't wearing anything. Then when you're open your eyes. I told you. I only read your mind. Yeah. Or it may be wearing lingerie first. Then while slow mo. Huwag ka lang kalitan. Well, like that. Then. We have advertisements now. Okay, ads. Take one. Live camera action. Mami, hello. You like advertisement? But my face, my hole. So you like that? Okay. Okay. Be gentle. Okay, be gentle that. That's for me. Here. I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come and try. I just think we need one night. Inside if I ain't right. Easy make my mind tight, but that love is probably just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't stop it. Fight. Easy baby, you're on. Or no personal. I like personal. Yeah. Hi, Emma. Okay, personal. That's more exciting. I like it. Okay, you end though. Personal. Emma. Okay, pay me for the ticket there. Baby, this was for you. Notice. Hey, thank you. Book me. Love you, baby. Not right. Emma. Not right or behind? In the front. Guys, follow me.